Libby, don't.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
No, it bit me. Right here.
It bit me. I don't see anything. I'm sorry, but I don't. Oh, it's okay, sweetie. It's okay. I know. It's okay. I know.
Let me be.
I'm sorry.
We have to stop. We have to get out of here and get our money back. We're going to go on strike.
Yes. Strike.
Strike.
Strike, 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 strike. Strike, 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 strike.
Guys, I misplaced the key. What were you talking about there? I misplaced the key, and here's the thing. Can't exactly go on strike because we're stuck in the building.
Wait, what? But, you were messing with it. That doesn't mean that just because you misplaced it, it doesn't mean... Wait.
No, it kind of fell inside the door.
So you locked the door and then it fell?
Yeah.
You idiot!
Don't call me an idiot.
You turd face, you poop!
You fart nugget!
You person full of crap!
I'm sorry. I'm gonna go text Amos and tell him what you've been calling me.
Okay,
I can't live here for the rest of my life.
I can't hear.
No! Amos, oh, I miss you. I have been lost in the building, and all the girls hate me now because I locked them in on accident, and Amos, it was just an accident. They all hate me!
Non-stop crying for Malka and Ruthie, Kit, and Elizabeth, they finally stopped and calmed down.
Wait a minute. Girls, we need to stand up and fight those rats. I knew it. I knew there was rats in here. Yeah, there is. And there's a rat that just crawled across the floor right now. My ears! No. Oh, Ruthie, why do you have to be so pathetic? I'm moping all day. It's just a stupid rat. Although I don't like rats, still, it's stupid. Let's just sit and sing campfire songs. A campfire song, like on SpongeBob? Yeah. La, la, la. That's not what I had in mind. La, la. Okay, now shut up with you already. Turd, shut up!
I like to dance, I like to dance. I dance when I am scared. I dance when I am glad. Okay. I dance when I am scared. I dance when I am glad. Every day is just a blessing to me. The end. Thank you very much. After 6 hours of Cora's awful, her name is Malka, whatever her name is. People don't really know for sure, because in the 1800s, her great-grandmother was named Cora, so she was called Cora for a little bit. But after 6 hours of Malka's awful, it finally stopped. I'm done. I'm relaxed. She's still singing, apparently. Ow! That looks painful. It sure does. Yeah, definitely. Hi! Ha ha ha. I'm an evil rat that looks like a baby bunny. Ha 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 ha. And look at those stupid people. I am going to go and scare them and eat them. Ha ha. I'm in the mood for my ears. That is awful. I must get them fast. I dance when I'm scared. I'm up in the air, and I will get on top of her. What's wrong? My next victim. Malka. Hello, everybody. My name is... Shut up. My name is Ratatouille, and I have come to eat you. We have to get out! We have to run! Wait! My hairbrush! No! Elizabeth! I'll save you! Wait! No! Elizabeth, my best friend! Don't leave me! And Kate, you become like a dear friend to me! Now don't go! Huh? Oh. Malka! Wake up! We gotta get out of here! We have to run! Get out of this window! Come on! He's gonna eat us! Where's my hair comb? Baby! Baby, I can't live without you! There you are. Ha 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 ha. My next victim. What? Ratatouille! Ratatouille, no! Elizabeth! Run! 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 I ate her! I killed her! I'll feast on her later. Apparently two escaped. But Ratatouille, no I. Ratatouille, which is me, shall not let this little one slip away. Yummy neck. Well, what is Malka? Are you there? Honey? Honey? Sweetie, it's Amos. Malka, are you there? Malka! Repeat. No dolls were harmed in this video. We promise.
Yes, we took very good care of our dolls, even though it looks like we were rough with them. No dolls were harmed in this making of this video.
Oh yeah, and also, if you're all wondering, the girl Ruthie, who was me, and the girl Malka,
which is me,
we escaped in the video. Apparently, we didn't show us at the end, but Malka later on grew up, older, and married Amos. So happy. And then I became an old maid. I never married. Anyway, that's all.
And Kit died for a very heroic reason. She saved Elizabeth, but then Elizabeth took advantage of that and tried to get her hairbrush and died.
Yeah. What a shame, my best friend.
Oh, and they caught, what was the mouse's name again?
Ratatouille.
They caught Ratatouille, and killed him.
Yeah, but police had to do that. He had evil powers, apparently. If you guys seen Smurfs and Gargamel, that's what he's like. He's stupid, but yet smart. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.